guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing a very simple recipe. I know I'm doing a lot of oats recipe because sometimes you want to eat a little bit healthier. Okay, so this is my go-to cookie recipe. You can have it for breakfast or you can have it as a snack. Okay, it's made up of oats, so it's very healthy, and you can add any fruits or nuts that you prefer. So it's a very quick one that we are doing. First of all, I have my rolled oats. Okay, this is not the Quaker Oats one. This is the proper rolled oats. I'll put that in my container. Okay, and what I have here, I have some baking powder, I have some salt, and I also have the same rolled oats. I have blended it to form a powder. It's like oats powder. If you have oats powder, you can use it, but just blending it really. Okay, so I add it to the rolled oats here. Okay, so it's a very quick one. Right, so it depends on what you want to add to your cookie. Okay, so I am adding, as you can see here, this is just cherries and some cranberries because I love them. You can add anything to it if you prefer. So mostly these are the dry ingredients. Right guys, to add the wet ingredients, you can add in sugar of your choice. You can add granulated sugar. I am adding just honey. Okay, I'm just going healthy, so I add some honey. I'll put all the measurements down below. All right, but you can add sugar if you prefer adding sugar. Okay, and the other wet ingredient is coconut oil. So I'll just add some coconut oil as well. So I'm going to mix that. And also the last bit is to add some vanilla extract. Just a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we mix it. So easy to do, guys. And it's delicious. Right guys, as you can see, it's very easy. So this is our dough for the cookie. So what I am going to do is, I have my tray here. I've lined it up with my parchment paper. So I'm going to use my biscuit cutter. Okay, and what I do here is I put a bit of it in it and I press it onto it and make it easier. So really, it doesn't take that long. And then you put just a bit of it. Right, so you put just a bit of it into it. Okay, and then you press it. So easy to do. And then lift it up. So as you can see, it's very easy to do. All right, just use your biscuit cutter and just put it there, and then try and put your dough in it, and then you press it. Very easy, guys. Very easy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to continue filling this one up with using my cutter. Okay, and then we'll put it in the oven afterwards. So guys, as you can see here, it's nicely done. So this is my oatmeal breakfast cookies. Okay, I'm going to put that into the oven, but it depends on how you want it. If you want it chewy, you can leave it for about 18 to 19 minutes, but If you want it crispy, you can leave it for about 20 to 22 minutes. Okay, I want mine a little bit crispy, so I'll leave it for 20 minutes. So I'm going to put that into the oven and I'll enjoy it afterwards. So guys, this is it. This is my cookie. Very healthy, no butter, and I just added honey. Okay, and it's made from oats and it's so good. Guys, you have to try these, and it's delicious. You can have it with your tea in the mornings. That's what I normally do, and it tastes so good. I have some fruit with it as well. Okay, so you can add anything. You can add some nuts. Sometimes I do add some peanuts and stuff to it, and it tastes so good. So try this recipe. It's delicious. Okay, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please put on your post notifications, okay, so that when I put up a new video you will be notified. As you can see, it's very nice here. As you can see here, like that. Look at that. It's delicious. Try this recipe and you will love it. Okay, so thanks for watching, and may God bless you.